All the glass that breaks around us and is discarded, does it disappear forever, or is it never used again? That's far from the truth. All the glass that breaks around us is collected and returned to use in different forms. One example of using this broken glass is the production of these glass beads, which have widespread industrial applications. Some of their applications include shot blasting for cleaning industrial parts, road marking and traffic signs, fine sandblasting, use in cosmetic and personal care products, as industrial fillers, in material processing, and many other purposes. There are several reasons for using these glass beads. They do not oxidize. They do not undergo chemical reactions. They are hard and durable. They are available in various sizes. They are recyclable, among many other advantages. After being crushed, the glass is placed into a furnace, where high temperatures turn it into molten material. Then, the molten glass is fed into an automatic machine that forms it into glass beads. The molten material exiting the furnace is automatically guided by two moving arms, which are responsible for cutting the molten material. During the cutting of these beads, a very small flow of water is applied onto the blade and along the path of the beads to help cool the product and prevent excessive wear on the blade and guide channels. These two wheels, which rotate in opposite directions, intelligently handle the transfer of these beads. The difference is that they no longer cool in a fixed state and deform. Instead, they are transported and cooled while in motion and rotation. All of these processes and machines operate in a calculated and precise manner. They may not look impressive, but they work completely efficiently. This small setup, along with a furnace, can produce tens of thousands of glass beads per day, greatly aiding the recycling of these broken glass pieces. Now, let's watch the end of this video together and see the volume of these produced glass beads. If you enjoyed watching this content, you can help us reach more people by following our page, sharing the video with your friends, or liking it. We would also be happy if you leave your comments about this video. Thank you, and take care.